Hey guys and welcome. Okay, in this video you will learn a cubic bezier animation for transition or animation of the keyframes. Now the question is good or bad, it's up to you to how to use it, but I think we must try anything to make our website more better for animation. Because most of the time we need something new that animation get a perfect moves with a nice effect. So let's start this video. Okay, cubic bezier, most of the time we use into animation timeline or timing function. And best of that, we can use it in a transition. And I show you the best way to how to create it, even if you don't like math or spend more time to find what is the best of the cubic bezier. Anyway, let's start with this. Now I have a 3 button with a 3 ball, as you can see it. Now every single one has a cubic bezier animation that I'm going to show you what is a best setting, or maybe best setting, I don't know, and how you can find it. So for example, if I just add a normal transition with a less 1 second, and you see this is a normal animation like always we have, and it is simple guys. But now let's say we can do it better and get a new animation that no one use it. So let's do this. I started this one, and you see first the ball go back and go front to the point of the finish, like a pinball game, or like holding a stone when you hit something with it, and that's nice. But okay. And when I remove this mouse, it's go front again and back to the start of the point. And now you see this is a better animation from that first one that we use it in less than 1 second. Now let me tell you what is a cubic bezier that add here. You can see I set a 2 number first for start the animation, which is this, and I can increase a second to slow the animation. And the second number, as we can see it, that we have here, is holding the animation to start it. As you can see it here, like an animation delay if you use it sometime for animation. Now, okay, now how to create a cubic bezier? It's very simple, guys. We go to the inspect of the Chrome. Now just type a transition, add a number with is in, and add another number. Now here's a trick, and no need to talk, just with our hand we can create this animation. You can see we have a little square that we have here. When I click on it, it shows the curve that animation have, which is in. And more animation we can use it is out and is and linear, that you can use as a normal animation. But we can change it to have a different animation. And if you know about the Photoshop and After Effects, you get our point. It will be easy for you. So if I just change this curve, you see the Chrome show you a little effect of your animation when I create a custom curve, and you get this for your animation. And if that good, you will use it. Now for example, change the curve be this, and you get this. And every time change the cubic bezier, get you a new move. And yeah, just play like a Photoshop when you create image with a curve. It's easy guys, just trust me. Now I have option of the best of the cubic bezier, or maybe best of that. Now let me tell you most important thing you should know. Cubic bezier is very good when using for 2 box or 2 before and after. To show you what I mean by that, let's see other animation of the cubic bezier that I have here. Now 3 best cubic bezier that I found to use it and get a nice perfect effect. First one is this curve that we see it in the first video, and here's a cubic bezier in the Chrome as you can see it. But let me tell you this, don't let a curve too much down or up. Because if I just let this one be up, it's gonna be bad animation, and sometime the ball will disappear. And why this happen? Because the animation is too fast that you can see it, and the ball will disappear. Now for second one, first hold the ball and go to the point. As you can see it here. Now here's other option that I have here. Let's try this. It starts slow and go fast after a few seconds. And this is a curve that as you can see it. And this cubic bezier is very good for using in a menu. For example, I create this square, very simple before, and when I hover it, it just like open the book to read it. Okay, now for third one, slow move, which is a simple guys. And yeah, it's time you create a new animation that maybe most of designers don't know yet about this, of using the animation. Okay, now I said using 2 box or 2 before and after is good for this. Now I created example before and after to show you the animation of the cubic bezier. So I'll start with the first cubic bezier, and I have a simple portal that I created myself, and in the future I'll create a video for creating a nice portal. So anyway, as you can see, first before open the square, next is after that portal is open up. And you see, when I remove the mouse, the portal become big and disappear. And that is the main point why I created this video, to let you know about this beautiful animation, guys. I didn't add a width and a height in hover, just cubic bezier, and you get a nice and better effect. Now what if I use a second cubic bezier for this portal? Let's use it. Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. Now for third one, that was a simple, let's use it. Well, not much different, and as I said, it is simple. Now if I want to choose the first one or second cubic bezier, I go with the first one. I think it's good for creating a portal and a space and more stuff, I think. Now next example, I have a square and circle. First cubic bezier, let's try it. Yep, that's nice. Second cubic bezier, not bad. Last cubic bezier, and it's as simple as we can see it. Yeah, very good. And I know I didn't talk about how to use a cubic bezier in animation keyframes because I wanted this video be short, and when I create a new responsive website, I show you better with a full detail how to create it in the animation of the keyframes with a best detail and a full detail, guys. And before to say goodbye, let me show you a real animation when I use a cubic bezier. Now see it? Oh shit, music. Oh, sorry about that. And yeah, we add the music and more animation into it. But anyway, hope you enjoy it. And the last lesson is how to resize a before and after in a media with just a simple code that you see in a video. And after learning it, you will be ready for creating a part 2 of advanced website with HTML and CSS. And see you in the next video, guys. Bye.